Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified as and when we bring in readings, and leave your comments as to how you're resonating also with the readings. I know you all will be all smiles because the Kali Mata cards are back. So let's see what is in the cards today. Kamala Devi, a beautiful, beautiful goddess for abundance, for happiness, and for everything. Kamala Devi is the most powerful Devi. Even all the other Devis are powerful, but she's my personal favorite also. So let's see what is the next card which has come. Oh, that's a beautiful combination. Oh, there are 3 cards which have come. Okay. Sometimes they also, have their own ways. Baglamukhi and Ghuyya Kali. Okay, now that's a beautiful combination. Okay, so as I said, Kamala Devi, the 10th of the Dashamahavidyas, Kamalatmika, the one who has the abundant blessings upon us, the one who is meant to give lot and lot of money, lot and lot of energies. Whatever we ask, that is what she will give. That is why she is the most powerful, Kamalatmika, and she particularly works within us. She is a person who will make us happy, who will make us free from heart, who will also keep us positive and abundant, and she will give us all the comfort. When she comes in a reading, it means a lot of happiness is going to come for that day, a lot of abundance is going to come on that day, and whatever we plan, we will be happy in that plan. So I always love, whenever these cards come, I always work with Kamalatmika, and I say that you need to start your day with this following chant: Om Shreem Hreem Shreem Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Om Shreem Hreem Shreem Mahalakshmiye Namaha. So this is a beautiful chanting for her. Just chant 8 times, that will do. I will repeat 8 times. You'll have to chant today in the morning. Om Shreem Hreem Shreem Kamale Kamalalayi Prasida Om Shreem Hreem Shreem Mahalakshmiye Namaha. Okay, so do that. Again, though the whole world knows Baglamukhi is for protection, but when she comes in the reading, it is basically that whatever you want to do, be it professional, financial, abundential, is going to manifest. She's going to help you to manifest, and she's going to remove all the unwanted energies from your body or around you to see to it that you are getting what you want or what you desire. Now coming to the Ghuyya Kali. Basically, she is the secret Kali. Now, what do we mean by secret Kali? Actually speaking, Lalita Tripura Sundari is also one form of the secret goddess, right? So now coming to this Devima, the Ghuyya Kali, which is also called as the secret Kali, whenever she comes, she will free you from things which are stopping you from move forward. She has the capacity to handle the issues around you and to see to it that you are out of all the troubles and you can rock the world and you can make your own place in this world. So today I would say, because lotus is outstanding here, I would say the color is pink. If you can offer a lotus flower to Goddess Kali, it would be really, really good. And offer her some, burn a lamp for her and offer her some prasad, and you all can have, you and your family members can have the prasad at the end of the day. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Thank you.